Okay, so here we are. Installed this Canon air filter, 2002 Chevy Tahoe. And just a couple of things to note. This was a little interesting, putting this strap here. Kind of feels like a material of some sort, like not really plastic, more like canvasy or something. Nylon. So that was a little unique. Trying to figure this out. Seems like it's on there. Really tight fit right in here. It fits in simple, but I can see it's tight now looking at it. This was a little tricky getting this rubber on. I mean, I guess if you just don't worry too much about it, just push it on, it should be fine. And then this was a little tricky. I should have tightened the back side of this before I put this on. Just back there. Screw. Tighten this screw, that screw. Had to drill a hole in this right over here. So the radiator goes. That's a new hole right there. That's it. Just gonna fire this thing up now. That's what she sounds like. Interesting loop there.